is get rid of that because I don't need it. And I'm going to use a double shot. Let's clean that out. Oops. Just wipe that out. So, double espresso, 2 shots, tamp it, nice and firm, polish it off. Let's lock that in, and so I can see exactly how it looks. Press that, wait for the light to come on, and then press that there for my 2 espressos. So it goes from that lovely dark rat's tail into that beautiful beige colour. And once it reaches the desired level, 2 espressos. So I've now got 2 espressos set on this side and 2 set on that side. There we go. And there's your espresso, or your mini Guinness.
Yeah.
So let's put that down there. And that's how it looks.
Double espresso.
Double espresso. So a double